Guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix sound problem on South Park game. So, to fix this problem, open the settings of your phone. Click right now on apps option and search for South Park and click. Here right now, just you need to scroll this list down, click storage and click clear cache. So back right now, click on force, stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update South Park, and then restart your device, and that's all. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe in this channel. See you next video.